To control permissions in a Facebook game, click the gaming icon on your Facebook profile page. Scroll, and click Play Games. Scroll down, and click the game you want to play. In the opening introduction to the game, click Edit this. Adjust the friends list setting if you wish. Then click the arrow to open friends and fellow players. Adjust who can see that you use this app, and then click back. To exit this menu, click back. You're now ready to click play on Facebook and begin your game. That's it. You're done.